Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to cash out your Doordash earnings. So step 1, open the Doordash Dasher app. Log in using your Dasher credentials and make sure that you have completed deliveries and have available earnings. Step 2, go to the earnings tab. Tap the menu and choose the earnings button and you will see a breakdown of your daily and weekly totals. Step 3, tap on cash out. If Fast Pay is enabled and linked to your debit card, tap Cash Out, and then the amount will be instantly transferred to your card. Step 4. If your Fast Pay is not set up yet, you should activate it. If this is your first time to go to the account section, you can tap Fast Pay and link your debit card, and you may need to wait 7 days before using the Fast Pay. Step 5. Wait for funds to reflect. Once you process the fast pay, the money should reflect on your bank account within just minutes or up to few hours. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.